Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, I am Jimmy Sequence. I'm actually making the video as promised to tell you guys what is going on for the next sound system roll call, which is going to be on February 16. That's February 16, Sunday, February 16. That will be the third Sunday of this month. The roll call was last night, Sunday night the 2nd, and the next one is on the 16th. So the lineup, first thing before I get into that, I must big up the man them from last night. Saying Majesty showed up, nice vibe. True Vibe showed up, Hot Stepper, Sequence, nice vibe, nice promising vibe, you know what I'm saying? It's a good look for the future. And we did something last night, we started something last night that I guess we're going to continue. And it will, we'll use the last hour of this event where people can actually showcase their dub plate. Dub session, the last hour is straight dubs. And again, we're not going to be doing the cussing and under your mama and this and that and that and that. But we're going to be playing dubs. Yeah. If you want to play dubs, you don't have to play dubs. But if you want to play dubs, you are welcome to play dubs in that last hour. And not that you can't play dub during the night, you can, but that last hour is specifically for man to showcase them sound and dub plays, which means we're not going to be limiting how hard you play the sound in that last hour, because most of the time, most of the people are gone by then anyway. For right now, as it gets bigger and thing, it might change, because if there's a lot of people in there, you can't really play it as hard as how it's been. Anyway, so that's that. So Majesty, Respect, Hot Stepper. I don't know Hot Stepper, I'm a partner, and I guess me and Hot Stepper doing this. Enough respect. True Vibe, my cousin. Big up yourself, youth. Saying, nice vibe, nice vibe. So the next one coming up is on the 16th. And this one, as you know, me and Hot Stepper, Sequence and Hot Stepper, they are the two resident sounds. So we are usually there, but this time we're going to sit this one out. So yeah, we're going to sit this one out, me and Hot Stepper. Sequence and Hot Stepper will not be in the next one. So we will have Delta Force with Martel the Mixer. We will have New Wave from Palm Beach. We'll have Intensity from Palm Beach. And we will have, that'll be Oneness, New Wave, Martel the Mixer, and Intensity. So that's the next one on the 16th. It'll be 4 brand new sounds. Sequence and Hot Stepper will not be in it. And again, the last round will be dub round for anyone that wants to get involved with that. I know New Wave and Intensity and Delta Force have enough dub. I don't know if Oneness have enough dub, but whoever is DJing for Oneness should have some dubs. So that last round is quite interesting. Last night was a vibe. Seeing? So again, I'm encouraging everyone to come out, start, bring the woman. And last night we had some women. That was pretty encouraging. So again, yeah, I last time I said women free until 9, but the way this thing works, I'd say women free until 8. Between 6 and 8, we start at 6. We get there about 2 in the afternoon. Start setting up. We really can't play the sounds hard until 4 o'clock, because they have a church going on in the building and the church ends at about 4. So after 4 we can play the sound. So, you can come there at 4 o'clock if you want to hear the early juggling and the setting up. I'll come there too if you want to watch us set up the sound. Like this video, I just posted the video, part 1 of the video for the sound system setup. I still have another video to go, because that video is an hour and 20 minutes. I can't make the setup videos for hours because people are not going to sit and watch it. So we have a part 2 of the setup video coming. And then we have some of the sound system videos of people playing. And the next one is the 16th, Sunday, February 16th, 3rd Sunday of the month. Sound system roll call. Don't miss it. Trust me. You want to bring your woman, bring your friend, tell your woman to bring their friends, and so on and so on. Seeing, but we appreciate the support. We're just looking for more support, because in order to keep this thing going, it's costing 2 people. And so far we're losing every time, but we're kind of trying to build it, see? And as long as we get the support to keep it going, we're there and ready and willing to do it. And it's a great platform. Anyone that has showed up so far will tell you it's a vibe. 4 big sound systems. So far we haven't had any flap sound, see? So hopefully we don't have that, but the idea is to create a good vibe for everyone that shows up, see? And we're trying to build that. We're just trying to build that so we have somewhere to go every first and third Sunday of the month. And you know, you can look forward to that. You can tell your friends from out of town, if you're coming in town, come in at this time, because seeing them have a nice vibe going on in Fort Lauderdale at the Luxurious Ballroom. For the people that don't know, it's at the Luxurious Ballroom. If you party in South Florida, in Broward County, you should know Luxurious. That's where they keep most of the big parties. And last night we had a lot of vibes, good DJs, see? As promised, we have DJs, different sounds bring different DJs that plays all kind of music for all kind of people. We don't want it to be a stagnant, old school, old music type deal. See, and I encourage people to play new music, American music, whatever. You see, I want you to mix up the music and make it nice and fun for everyone, especially ladies. I'm just saying. It's really no fun without women. So I want women. So I want to encourage the DJs to play for the women, not to ignore the men, but play so women can enjoy it also. See? So again, sound system roll call. Next one is on the 16th, Sunday the 16th, and that is between 6 and 12 p.m. Respect and honor, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cool.